Hey guys, okay, so it's been a long time since I made a video and something has come up and I thought I'd make one today. We got our coffee, we got our hammer, we got an X-Acto knife, pencils, pens, some Velcro material. The reason I'm here today, some hole punches, scissors, something to beat on and cut on. Okay, so what's up is I had to replace the radiator that I had in the truck, and then I noticed that it was leaking at the bottom of this water pump, no, not water pump, thermostat gasket. So what I knew I was going to have to take the radiator out and fix all that, and I thought while I'm in there I'll make a couple of these and I'll replace it, put some stuff in there. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Alright, if you need some glasses, like I do, you want to put those on. So this is an old school way to make gaskets. This is a way that my dad taught me a long time ago, using whatever we had. But this is some really good material you can pick up from like Advanced Auto or maybe even AutoZone or the internet. So all I'm going to do, this is an original, not an original, but it's a real true gasket. Anytime you have a good one, or if you order a gasket set, a good idea would be to trace these out onto maybe some paper, or and have them put up. That way you can always go back to them and cut out the paper and then place it on something if you don't have, if the gasket doesn't come off in good shape. That's what I've done on most of the gaskets that I have. I've photocopied them with a ruler near it, and I put them on the Facebook page. That was a Facebook group for Mazda Trucking. I have most all gaskets there scanned in, and with a little paper ruler scanned along with it, so you can print it out and you can match it up. Then all that. Anyway, this is real simple. I'm just going to trace it really good. Alright, so now we've got that. What I like to do now is cut it out right along the line. This is nothing new, but I thought I would show you how I've done it for years. And then what I'll do is show you a new way to do it. It's still not new to some people, but it is new to some people. So I'll show you how to do it on a Cricut machine. Okay, now that I've done that, done this a few times, so kind of see what that stuff is. I believe this one is a it says it's 5/16. Actually, could use a little bigger. I think it's too big. Let me check. Well, actually, that would be even better. That is a 3/8 hole. So now what I'm doing, I'm looking right through here, right at the, too bad I don't have a camera person. Do my best. Camera's probably just going to get a good shaking. I was scared it's going to knock my camera over. Okay. There's our gasket. There's the original. Pretty much it hides behind itself, so that'll work. It's a really good gasket. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Great gasket. Alright, so now I'll show you how I do it on the Cricut. Very nice gasket. Man, that's nice. I sure couldn't have cut it out that easy by hand. I mean, I've come close. That's very nice. Buff the edge a little bit. Ready to go. Hope you enjoyed that. Okay, so if you like this video, if you found it useful, please click like and subscribe. Like helps it get seen by other people. If it's popular, the video will get seen. So please like it. Thank you.